a spark that began in 1936. Iron and sweat. This journey started with the production of horseshoes. In 1960, we empowered the soil with tractor parts. Since 1976, we have been transforming steel into safety through the production of brake discs and drums. Today, our journey has evolved into a massive integrated facility. Every part shaped in our advanced robotic production lines is designed for maximum performance and absolute safety on the roads. Every casting holds experience, every processing line holds technology, and every product carries the Yavuzsan signature. And now, 50 years of trust and 50 years of stability meet the brake pad. Our new automated high-capacity brake pad factory takes the Yavuzsan signature in braking technology one step further. The meticulousness of master hands and the flawless harmony of high technology come to life on these assembly lines. Produced with millimetric precision, each brake pad is carefully prepared to withstand the toughest roads. Not your life. Stop your vehicle. Yavuzsan Automotive Industry.